Hello everybody. Now this is the Dolphin Data Lab Technic support team. In this video, we will see one new function called boot mode. With this new boot mode function, we can read this ID information from one pension hard drive. Now let's check the details. After power on the hard drive, users need to make sure the drive can enter the F3T. Now, we can see the drive is busy. When we try to click Obtain Details, the drive gets busy and no ID information can be detected. So at this time, we need to wait until this reading completes. Now let's try the boot mode. From boot mode, we can see that the hard drive SN number and model number are detected here. Now we can try to click OK to enter the hard drive from a repair interface. So these are the main menus, and we can check from the disk information. The model, SN, and its family are all detected here. Now we can try to back up the ROM. When the drive is busy, the only method to back up the ROM is to back up it by the COM mode. Here we need to select a higher baud rate. For stable data transfer, we usually suggest users to use this baud rate to back up the ROM. So users can see that this program starts to back up the ROM at a high speed. So this is a new function called boot mode. So this one is very helpful when the hard drive is not detected, or when users try to read the information and the drive gets busy. And then when we try to back up the ROM will be named with the SN number. So this backup of the ROM will be very helpful when users try to find $ROM, or when users try to compare if the ROM is original or not. Because from this SN number, users can try to compare with the hard drive label information to see if the PCB has been swapped or not. Okay, now we go to Program menu and open the working directory. Now there is one ROM folder, and we can see that this is ROM file we have just backed up. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about new functions and solutions, users can log in the Dolphin user-only forum and check more case studies on this kind of cases. Thank you for watching this video.